Hey everybody, I'm Steven with Simply Relax, and I just want to take this time while we are being self-quarantined with the coronavirus to show you how to make this peanut and why it can help you while you're stuck at home. All you need is 2 tennis balls and just some duct tape. That's it. So you just take 1 tape, put it on there. 2nd tape. Make sure you get it in the groove. 3rd piece. So you really get to form it around the shape. And there you have it, 4 pieces. But if you want to cover this up so it lasts longer, go right ahead, doesn't matter. Make sure you get right in there so the vertebrae can get right in there. And there you have it, your peanut. So I'm going to tell you the difference between using the foam roller and using the peanut with my main man here. As you see, he's moving. But if you notice, he only does about 1, 2, 3 to 4 vertebrae at a time. Whereas you get that out of here, he lays down. See, this way he can hit every vertebrae at a time. Stays on the vertebrae. He can move his hips up. He can rotate, move his arms, his T-spine. Not this guy, but you can go all the way up, all the way to the top of the cervical spine. C1, you can move it, get that tension headaches, stiffness in the back of your neck. Go all the way up to even hitting the SI joint. You can even do it on the quads. I hope you move better than this guy. Let's see how it gets right on the quad. This is the femur, but the quad muscle is right on top of it. All the way, anyway, anywhere. Get this guy out of here. As you see, he's on your foot. For the lat. Got tight chest muscles. Go right here. Move it right here. Got nasty shin splints. Oh, that is great. And even the foot. People who stand all day, wear heels all day, just get tension in their feet. Just stepping on it. Moving your toes, getting inside the groove. Right in there, getting the heel, putting pressure on it. Just like that. And there you have it. That's how you make a peanut. And if you find this video useful and helpful, please like and subscribe. Share it to people that you know that can benefit from using this peanut, because you can use it practically anywhere, anytime. Thank you. See you again soon.